It's Anthony with the Eden Mandate LLC. Storing lives one home at a time. My man Matt got Brian in there, Josh. We just peeled back the plastic covering in this room. That was come on, I'm trying to keep it straight. And we're helping our clients out. And literally, these books have been here for so long that they literally have mold on them. And like the covers, literally, as you touch them, disintegrate.
Yeah, there's a jug full of piss up there in the closet.
You found it, huh?
Oh my god.
It was at the top of the stairs, man. They put it in the closet. I'm kind of upset that he didn't want to keep that. I say just put it on the back of the truck, take it over to his house, man. Look at this mold. Man. Wow. Hymnals up here. And this all just molded. It's been here for so long. These have probably been here for 70, 80 years. Not more. Look at the, oh my gosh, look at that. So there's definitely mold down here.
Yep.
Holy moldy. Look at that book there. Man. Get that, y'all. I don't even want to touch that. Every time we say we've never seen this, like, we get trumped literally about 10 minutes later with some other stuff that we just have not experienced ever. Ever. And I really don't think that we'll experience it again in life. My goodness. Hey Ken, hey Gene, what's going on? Wow. So I'm gonna get some light in here at least. And oh my gosh, this house is gonna be so freaking beautiful, man. Can you imagine, man, having like a couch right here, a TV right here above this fireplace with the fire going, you know, maybe a couch here in the corner. These radiators are going to be gone. It's going to be replaced with forced air, central air conditioning all the way through the house. You know, probably rewire it, put a ceiling fan up top over here. You know, you got these French doors. Did they open up?
It's locked. They open, but it's locked.
Okay. Got the French doors here. Like, man, this is going to be a showpiece room in here once you get it all restored. It's gonna be awesome. That's so much potential. What's that?
I'd like to come back and see that and get all.
Oh man, yeah. Like, this is just going to be a treat. Yeah, man. Like, I'm really thinking about hiring a professional film crew to come out here and like cover the restoration. I should have had one for this removal, man. That would have been awesome. That would have been worth the money. Yeah, like to get everything, all the conversation, all the... Yeah. That would have been a wise investment. Hindsight always 20/20, man. Always. Man. But my man Mike, who has his uncle executive produces Hoarders, and I reached out to him, man. So for the next house that we find, we'll definitely give him a call beforehand. So we get the folks out here. Man. But really and truly, like I understand why they want to keep a lot of this stuff, because like this stuff here is like this is antique. These tea dishes, these little tea kettles, like those are really nice. I myself don't really have an appreciation for them, but I know some people do. So yeah, I'll show y'all the blunder I made earlier. Came back in here. I was trying to like get the stuff out of the cabinets into a box. Does it say what the date is on it? Yeah, you know what, man? Check it all, man. Screw it. We have our own signature colors we like to do. And I put stuff in the box. The box gave way. And now, thankfully, not much broke, but some did. And I have to salvage what actually is salvageable. Put that on the truck. Take it down to their house. Let them sort it out. Keep whatever it is they want to keep. But I just can't give them any more time in here to, hold me up, hold up the team, and hold up our progress. So I'm just gonna I'm like, hey, if you want to keep it, it's cool. We'll take it to your house. You sort it out from there, and good luck to you. I did get approval though to remove all the food that's in the cabinets, which is good. We've got some. I didn't even know they did Tostitos dip in individual containers, but that's been in there for a while. Some of this all evaporated milk. I got this cabinet cleared out. Oh, jeez. More stuff in here. Clean out. Good old Jello. Oh, and yet more stuff. And I actually do like Earl Grey tea, but something tells me that I probably don't want this. And over here we got some plates and cups and stuff. This little bell. Oh, whatever. More items. More glasses. Stemware glasses. Blah blah blah. See, he came and got all his Coke glasses. Cool. Yeah, exactly, Shannon. Something already ate it. Yeah, then we had a whole bunch of ants. We got an ant problem in here as well, so try to get it fumigated once we get this out. If Jan is watching, we did find the pee jug. Unfortunately, it has not been removed yet. Yeah. Pyrex, don't toss what? That yellow mixing bowl. Where you at? Here? Where you at, Shannon? Oh, that yellow mixing bowl over here, I'm guessing. Oh, shit. Need some light in here. Man. Alright. So at any rate, excellent progress been made. I think all of us would have been good if we had respirators in here, to be honest, so you can smell the mold. But right at the first. All right, so the one up there. Okay, I got you. So I'm gonna use this and knock down. Knock down this spider castle here. Oh, that's actually a vine. Okay. This is 80 years worth of stuff being swept up. And I don't take it lightly. I understand that there's an emotional attachment when you've been associated with one particular property for 80 years. So you've seen your parents build the house. You're basically born in the house, lived their entire adult life. Like I completely understand, the emotional attachment, um, and what it does to you mentally and psychologically. I get that. It's been a humbling experience. It's been a learning experience, not only for me but for everybody involved. All the guys that are moving the stuff out. We've really maybe have a better appreciation of how to deal with this in the future. And it's good learning. So anyways, I'm gonna clean my mess up here. Get this on the truck. Get this down to the house. It's Anthony with the Eating Mandate LLC. We're storing lives one home at a time. And y'all just keep following me, man. I'm gonna start uploading this stuff to YouTube. You can follow me on YouTube at anthony.r.more2. Actually, that's my Gmail. AnthonyRmore2 is my handle on YouTube. I'm gonna start uploading this and some kind of behind the scenes content after I edit it out. So definitely like and subscribe, share this. This is a very entertaining and interesting experience. So I'll keep you guys abreast. Thanks for following. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you later.